Have you ever tried to analyze survey results using AI? So you download the spreadsheet of survey results, open ChatGPT, upload the responses and say, find me themes and trends and tell me what to do. And then you realize besides pretty graphs, that wasn't very helpful at all because you still don't know why those scores and graphs tell you and what to do to improve those scores. Here's what a lot of people don't realize. It's not just about analyzing the data. The type of data you give to AI makes all the difference. And there are typically two types of survey data. The quantitative data, which count things, qualitative data that tells you why things are happening. So the problem is people are giving AI the wrong kind of data and expect magic will happen. But that's garbage in and garbage out. You can't expect magic if you feed AI garbage. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. You see a side-by-side comparison of analyzing traditional survey results. We're going to analyze the quant data as one set. Another set will be analyzing open-ended qualitative data, both using ChatGPT. Then compare with third option is a purposely built AI survey platform that gets both qualitative and quantitative data at scale and then analyzing the result automatically. The first thing I want to make sure we are crystal clear is what are the three types of survey data. So number one is quantitative data, and then qualitative data, and then AI conversations. Quantitative data is something you can count, like rating questions, multiple choice questions. Qualitative data is the context behind the story why you get that score. So let's say I'm in United. My goal is to understand customer satisfaction. How do I improve my service to make the satisfaction score goes high? So the survey question typically you receive is this. Company will ask, how satisfied are you with today's flight? And the passenger will give 3. That's quant data. Of course, it will ask unquant information. But if you put this data into ChatGPT, it's not very actionable. Sometimes on the bottom, they will ask open test and say, can you tell me why you give the score? That's qualitative data. If you have both quant and qualitative, that would be great. I will show you what AI-powered survey look like. Same question. How was your experience with our flight today? 3. Sorry to hear that. What make your experience neutral? The passenger responds, well, the parting process was slow. AI continues digging. Sorry to hear that. Can you share more? How long did you have to wait? The customer say, well, I waited a good 45 minutes. Struggled to find a place for my luggage and end up just putting it under my seat. You can see here, it's a natural conversation. Give people a chance to voice their frustrations and concerns. And then AI will group all the responses into themes and provide actionable insights and call to action to do. In order to make this survey or analyzing survey valuable, you need to take action. People believe the organization who take the survey will not take action. You want to get survey results that give you the whole picture, the what and why they're doing it. Let's create our AI survey, and I'm going to send it to a bunch of people to take it. This is a non-profit organization that I'm going to create an account. Organization name is Shen, and I'm going to put in the URL here. This is the URL the AI will use to get information about the organization. This is show you what a survey will look like, how I recommend. So I'm going to say 8. This is quantitative data, and the AI is actually screening the background to learn more about this company. Okay, can you share why this is good? It is the org to discuss about work-life balance. And then it's probably going to dive in and ask me more. Now I'm going to create this AI power survey from scratch. So I am going to add project, click surveys, create a survey. So I'm going to tell it learning and go. I want to know what matters to people's workplace happiness. It created 3 questions for me. This first one is the open-ended question. So it's flexible in work hours, boss who listen and value feedback, work-life balance, opportunity for professional growth. So it actually come up with its own thing because that Shen website is great. Positive workplace culture and other. You can see here AI will actually dive in and follow up. And you can decide what it is. We can publish it. So I can publish through an email, website pop-up, a link, or a QR code. So I'm going to do it with a link, and then I'm going to copy this and send it out to get 50 response. And we're going to come back. All right, this is the exciting part. We're going to do 3 tests. Test number 1 is we're going to upload a quant-only data to figure out if ChatGPT actually help analyze the result pretty good. Test number 2 is uploading data only with qualitative data to see if it's better. And then the third thing is a free AI-powered survey. And then we can see side by side what's the difference between it. I have found a data set. I'm actually getting a row of 50 data sets just to be fair. So this first data is asking how satisfied are you with your job, how many hours you work, years of experience, do you use AI tool, and prefer programming. I'm using ChatGPT 4.0, so I'm going to upload from a computer and share this quantitative data in CSV format. Analyze this survey data. What is the top reasons for engineer job satisfaction? This is a good, so go for it. It's analyzing. Ooh, okay, cool. Job satisfaction versus years. This is not very helpful. AI tool adoption is strongly linked to higher satisfaction. So the first test I'm seeing here is like, it does show trends and graphs, but it doesn't say for sure. The conclusion here is if you are trying to take action, you need to know the why. And without the qualitative data together with the quantitative data, you can only guess. Next step, we're going to upload a qualitative data in here. We're going to ask them something similar. Analyze this survey data and show me key findings, trends, and themes, and top action items. This data contains open-ended response to the question, what do you like most about the workplace? Key themes, trends, most common phrases, top action items to enforce it. So again, this data sets, I feed it 50 rows of open-ended data here. I'm looking at this, I'm like, how many people said supported things and flexibility? How many people say growth and careers? Can you show me how many people fit into the themes and trends? How confident are you with the results and action you recommended? Okay, so now I spit out things. Supported team, flexible, 10 out of 50. 20%. The data sets contains qualitative and quantitative, and they will be able to see patterns, the things about feedback, growth, flexibility. There's still not enough data. It needs bigger data sets. Let's test out the same set, but with AI follow-up conversation. So I actually set up the survey in a tool called theysaid.io, and I'm using their free tool. I asked the AI what the learning goal I want, and AI was able to come up with 3 questions for me. It's actually pretty good. It asks these multiple choice question, the open-ended question, and ranking question all come up by itself. Let me show you how I get all the data. So I tell the AI my learning goal, understand key factors influencing workplace happiness and their relative importance to employees. And based on this learning goal, the AI come up with these questions. I actually publish these results through 2 methods. I copy the link and I also use the QR code and then share it with some of my friend circles Slack channel. I also post this linking post. Let's see the final result and how AI can review what we learned. We were able to gather 41 responses. There are 4 different reportings here. The first one is called analytic and give you question by question data. 39 people completed with a link, 2 people completed with QR code. The second reporting is the insight report. It's summarizing trends for me. So for example, positive workplace relationship and culture has been mentioned 8 times. I'm gonna dive in to see what's going on. I can click on here and it actually show me where this is. We don't have a lot of action items because this is unknown. I can imagine if you do it with existing customers, that it can do action items. In summary, I see that the AI conversational survey, it's very easy for me to set up questions. If you don't know why you're getting the survey results you're seeing, you cannot take action on the survey results, AI-powered surveys change that. And if you want to try the AI-powered survey like I show you in this video, there's a link in the description to check out the free product, theysaid.io. You can actually make your data collection and analyzing all streamlined and all automated. You still want to learn more about analyzing survey results and doing market research? Click here to learn the new way you can do market research for your product and service. I will see you over there.